Welcome to the Healing Sunrise Salute. Today we're talking about the corn dance, celebrating the corn harvest the Indians used to do. The three sisters, there's three women there dancing with corn. If you plant a garden, you know about the three sisters, which are corn, beans, and squash. And it talks about visions, rewards, clarity, living your dream, inner serenity, having perseverance. And then interesting enough, we've got the Vision Quest card talking of the same thing. As above, so below type stuff, like becoming who you want to become. You're a living dream, a living dream. Thought that was cool with the face, power coming out of his hands. Persevere. So with this orange card, we're going to work on the sacral chakra again, which is the orange one, right below your belly button. So as above, so below, you guys. Inner strength. Sorry. Remember to breathe. Picture the orange collar below your belly button. Thanks, guys, for sharing this moment with me. Not a cloud in the sky. I feel like it's going to be a beautiful day today. It's kind of cooler this morning, too. I've got a jacket on and pants, and hope everybody has a blessed day. They slept well. Remember to ground your feet into the ground. Remember to be nice to yourself. Unity is the only way forward for the human race. I know I've talked about it, but it is. Thanks, guys. Love and light.